Welcome to KB Career Point. Now we are going to analyze the 10th sum of some more applications of trigonometry. First we read the sum and understand the concept, then we will start to do the sum. Okay? Let's start. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. Two poles are standing. How it is standing? Either side of the road, like this it is standing. And which is 80 meter wide. That means which is 80 meter wide means what? Road distance between this road is 80 meter. Okay. Then from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 and 30. From a point between the pole, that means what? Wait, I will make the point. From a point between the poles, so this point between the poles, angle of elevation of top of the poles are 60 and 30. Okay, from the point between the roads. So this road, point between this one, standing and looking the top of the poles. Then find the height of the poles. What is the height of the poles? And the distance of the point from the poles. The distance where we are standing and looking the poles, no, that distance also they are asking. One point we have to keep in mind, this point is not at the center point of the road. It is somewhere we are standing and it will be just the middle, not the middle of the road, it is between the road only, sorry, between the poles only, not the middle of the pole. It is somewhere, any point. So they didn't mention this as a midpoint. We are not standing in the midpoint, not exact midpoint, somewhere between we are standing. And another one point we have to notify here, these two poles are equal heights. They are equal in heights like this marker. Okay. So first point here they given us both of the poles are equal height and they are standing in the opposite side. Then the width they given us 80 meter. Then angle of elevation is 60 and 30 they given. What we have to find? Height of the poles we have to find, as well as the point between, what is the point we are standing and looking the pole up, no, that point, the distance of the point from the poles we have to calculate here. First we will draw the, represent the diagram in this sums. Keep in mind diagrams also carrying mark. Okay, so two poles first we will draw equal poles. Then in the middle this width is so much, this width is they given us 80 meter. Here this is only important board question, frequently they are asking in the board this question, and only the change is instead of 80 meter they used to ask 100 meter they will ask. Only the angle of elevation and this angle also, one angle will ask us 45 degree like that. One small change is only they are showing in the sum, but concept is same concept only and very important sum, easy to do also. And it will be 5 marks sum only. So now you see in the middle of the road, not in somewhere. What they can side the from your point, here point only. So any point, it is not not necessary to be a middle point. Midpoint means here 40, here 40. But it is not a midpoint. From your point only they ask from your point. Then angle of elevation of the top of the tower. It is 60 and this is 30. And both of the poles are what? Equal heights. So this is also which? This is also same variable we will give. And this distance, I don't know, they are asking this distance we will keep as x. And what is distance? This one. Total is 60, sorry, total is 80 and this is x means what is the balance? 80 minus x. Clear? Total is 80, this part is x means balance is what? 80 minus x. Now we will give name to this one A, B, C, D. This point name is some point E we will give, okay? How many right angle triangles are here? First we will analyze A, B, E, one triangle and B, C, E, one another triangle. So two triangles is there. Here in this triangle, common base is not there and h value also unknown and x value also unknown. So to all of them it is not able to analyze directly, no visible data here. So we will solve and find the sum. First in triangle A, B, E, This is opposite side, this is adjacent. So opposite by adjacent in which one? Which ratio? Tan ratio. Take tan ratio. Tan 60 degree, the angle is what? 60 degree, opposite is h and adjacent is x. Tan 60 degree opposite, tan 60 degree value is what? Root 3 h by x. Okay, bring the x here, h is equal to root 3 x. This much only able to do, so meter. We will keep this as 1. Then in triangle DCE, this is also opposite, this is adjacent. So opposite by adjacent, again tan only, tan 30 degree, opposite is h, adjacent is 80 minus x. Tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 h by 80 minus x. Bring 80 minus x here. Because already we found h only, so same h we will do here also. So h we keep one side and bring 80 minus x opposite. Denominator coming to the opposite is, it will become as numerator. So 80 minus x by root 3. Now root 3 will let us down. So do rationalization, root 3 by root 3. So 80, h is what? 80 minus x root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. Keep as it is. This is 2. Now what you are going to do in this both h values we are having. So equate 1 and 2. So in the place of h, this h we will replace root 3x and we will solve, we will get x value. Now 80 minus x root 3 by 3 equal, this h value is what? Root 3x from first. So you will write, if you want, means equate 1 and 2. Okay, equate 1 and 2, we will equate that. So what it will come? This 3 you bring this side. So 3 root 3x equal to 80 minus x root 3x. Okay. Now distribute this root 3. Root 3 into 8 is what? 80 root 3. This minus. Root 3 takes is what? Root 3x. Distribution be given here and here. And 3 root 3x. Like terms is where? This is also x, this is also x. So like terms we bring one side. Okay. So 3 root 3x minus is coming this side. It will become plus. So plus root 3x equal to 80 root 3. So 3 root 3 plus 1 root 3. So 3 root 3 plus 1 root 3, how much? 4 root 3. So 4 root 3x. Now cancel root 3 and x is equal to what? X is equal to 80 by 4, that is 20 meter. So this is 20 meter we found. This is 20 means this is what? 80 minus 20 is 60. So distance between the poles, one side is 20, another side is 60. This part over. Now h part we will find. That is easy only. Already in first equation what we are having? H is equal to root 3x we have no. Replace that x value as 20. Okay. Substitute. Substitute x as 20 meter in equation 1. Okay, so there we are having root 3x. So root 3 into 20. 20 root 3 meter. In case in the sum here in bracket root 3 is equal to 1.732 will given means you substitute, this is in between multiplication. So multiplication 1.732, multiply and write the answer. Unit is meter. Here in the textbook there is no representation, so no need to do root 3 20 root 3. In question they specify means you should multiply with 1.732 meter. Otherwise at least you have to do 1.73, you have to multiply in the answer sheet of your board. Now we are having 20 root 3. So height of the building is, height of the pole is what? Height is 20 root 3 meter. Distance of the pole is 20 20 meter from one side, from one pole, and 60 meter from another pole. Okay, another pole. From another pole. So 20 meter from one pole and 60 meter from another pole. This is the answer for this question. I hope you understand the sum. If you understand means like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.